Now we will see important books and authors. So, regarding the books and authors, Namaste Shalom. So, Namaste Shalom is a new magazine which highlights about the India-Israel relations. Namaste Shalom. So, Namaste Shalom is a new magazine which highlights the India-Israel relation by generations. So, a festival of Holi or the festival of Shalom. So, how it is being celebrated as being highlighted in this book Namaste Shalom, which is being edited by Tarun Vijay. It is launched by Ministry of State of PMO and Northeastern States, Mr. Jitendra Singh in New Delhi. One more book here is Fulfilling Bapu's Dreams, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's tribute to Gandhiji. So, this book is being edited by Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudev, a yoga guru from South India, and it is being launched by President Ramnath Kovind in Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. So, these are the only two books which can be seen in the examination. So, these are being highlighted here. So, coming to important days, on 1st March 2018, Zero Discrimination Day was being observed by UNO, the two by UNAIDS. So, UNAIDS, United Nations AIDS, is a agency of UNO which is being observing Zero Discrimination Day since 2014 onwards, and this is the 5th Zero Discrimination Day which is being observed on 1st March 2018. So, this may be asked in the examination also. Next, on 3rd March 2018, so World Wildlife Day was being observed by United Nations General Assembly, and this is being observed to mark the date on which Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Fauna and Flora, in simple it is called CITES, CITES, Convention in International Trade in Endangered Species of Fauna and Flora. So, this was being signed in 1973. So, on 3rd March 1973 at USA. So, to protect the wild animals. So, this World Wildlife Day was being observed on 3rd March 2018. The theme for this 2018 3rd March is Big Cats, Predators Under Threat. So, all you know that big cats like tigers, lions, cheetah. So, India is the largest country having tiger population in the world, as well as largest Asiatic lions in the world. So, India is following the CITES rules and regulations to preserve the predators. Next, on 3rd March, World Hearing Day is also being observed. So, World Hearing Day is observed to safeguard the people who couldn't able to hear. So, on 3rd March, World Hearing Day, and on 4th March 2018, National Security Day is being observed. So, this is also important for examination point of view. And on 8th of March 2018, so 8th March is observed as International Women's Day. So, International Women's Day theme for 2018 is Time is Now, Rural and Urban Activities Transforming Women Lives. So, theme is important for this year's examination. The time is now, rural and urban activities transforming women lives. And the last one is on March 9th 2018, World Kidney Day was being observed. So, this World Kidney Day was being observed since 2006 onwards. So, to highlight the importance of kidneys, an organ in the human body. The theme for 2018 is Kidneys and Women's Health, include, value and empower. Kidneys and women's health, include, value and empower is the theme of 2018 World Kidney Day, which was observed on 9th March 2018. So, these are the important days you need to remember for examination point of view.